Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an up button to the app bar. Here you can see this. When I click on this, a new activity opens, but here we don't have any back button or up button. So I'm going to add this on this activity too. So let me close this first and move back to this main activity too. And here, first thing what we have to do is we have to write this stuff, that is get support action bar. And first I'm going to set the title. So I'm going to set the title, this is activity 2. After this, what you have to do is we have to just simply write get support action bar dot set display home as up enabled and mark true. And now start this. And when I click on this, now you can see this, we have activity 2 over here, but when I click on this, nothing happens because this up button doesn't know which one is our main activity. So we have to tell this activity that main activity is the main activity. So let me just move back over here. For that, what we have to do is just go to the manifest, and here just double click on this file, that is android manifest.xml, and inside this one go to this android main activity.2. After this, hit enter, and here what we have to do is we have to just write android parent activity name, and here we have to mention whatever activity you want to make the main, just like that. And now start again, just stop this and just start this again. Now click on this. Now this time this activity knows which activity is my parent activity. So when I click on this, here you can see this, we move to the main activity, that is this one where we have one button. So that's it for this video guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.